help is like...
Hey guys, so just another wanker here looking at himself again in the camera. We got Ash and the Cragmeister looking at Benny J's car. That's also a secret car we're apparently not meant to reveal until tomorrow. But I won't edit this until a few months' time, so that's all fucking kosher. And yeah, we're just here at the big fucking Vlogger Fest, the LZWorldTour, and I'm joining in. Fuck it. Let's do it. Hey Craig. And like, you just really just go up to people and make them feel awkward and just like don't even ask them anything. Hey Craig, it's good to see you here again, mate. Like, yeah. It's been so long. We got Ash, Hero Prince Ash, the man behind that fucking funky design, and I'm not even getting the camera angles right. There we go. Asian dude. There we go. Yeah, not a tiny Asian dude. Just a big old ginge.
Big old white man.
Big old ginge that can rip your fucking head off with a flying kick. So there we go. Let's have a look at this big 6-rotor. Now I know fuck all about cars, so I'm just going to go through the stuff I do know. It's an RX-7. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Our boy Benny Jenkins has just rocked up. Now Ben and Craig have spent a bit of time in Melbourne here, and well, Ben, you want to look good for the show. Yeah. So what did you do yesterday, mate?
Melbourne barbers.
Oh my god, what have you got going on there, bro?
Oh mate, I just asked for the something, and then you gave me something else.
Yeah, he got the lawnmower out on that one, didn't he?
Yeah.
What do you reckon of this this beast we're not meant to show anyway?
It's pretty sick.
Yeah,
it's sick. It's gonna scream around here.
Yeah, it's gonna go.
Good car. Yeah, we may as well take it for a ride.
Yeah, fucking, let's hit the Thunderdome right now. Channel our inner Larry Perkins.
Larry Perkins. Oh, your boy. Your boy. You've said it. You've said it, the Larry name.
My fucking boy.
What's the bottom?
I tell you what, great fucking number plate. Yeah. What do you reckon? Yeah.
I reckon.
Hey, what do you reckon?
I reckon.
Yep, so we're just moving old mate Mucka Mab boys RX-7 along because probably a bit red hot to leave the 6-rotor out in Calder Park overnight. So Craig's actually doing an extremely well job, aren't you, Craig?
Very talented today, yeah.
Yeah.
You can tell I've done this before.
Yeah.
Kia Cardinal's loving it.
Look at this is POV. This is...
I don't know where it's supposed to be going, do you?
yeah, check it left. Watch out for Big Eye Zuzu that's coming in hot.
Mate, does not know we're time.
He's moving.
I can't stop this train, brother.
He knows, he got it done.
Ooh, hot food. You reckon they're open?
The club lounge. That's where we're going to be, Craig. You and me at the VIP booth.
Cold beers in there?
Nah. Margaritas, brother.
The OG Coke vending machine.
And it's not sun damage. That's weird for around here. Geez, a couple of hot rides there. Right, what are we doing, Benny?
Just giving it a tour, you know?
All right, come on down to Calder Raceway. We got Alan Mance Driving Satisfaction, who hasn't sponsored since fucking 38.
He's getting his money's worth, eh? We're down the other way over there. And you get up on here.
Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Show us your GC 500 impression.
And then they're taking out the fucking rubber tyres this year at the GC, yeah? You heard it here first.
That'll be sick.
They're using rubber lasers now or something, yeah?
So you got a little mungie in here, is that it?
Out there. Out there.
Right where, is that a clipping point right there?
Right there.
I think that's a clipping point right there. Hello, young Mitch Larner, how are you, mate?
What's happening, mate?
Just same old shit, just joining what everyone else is doing this weekend.
Oh, yeah?
You know, just looking like a wanker.
Sure, you fucking handbrake up and the fucking peel off.
This is the house line up LMCT, right?
Get in there. Get in there.
Yeah, alright, here we go. Thank you, Craig. Holy shit. Oh, holy shit. Oh, God, dude. Oh, my God, dude. Fuck, is that my bed?
That's your bed.
Oh, I'll fucking sleep there every day of the week. Does it come with blankets?
Nah. You don't need them. You're inside.
Oh,
fuck.
That's... A few tyres about. There's Daz. Fresh. Oh, look at that. Smart man. Smart man. And then we got Benny J. Fuck yeah, boys. The boys are on. The boys are on. So yeah, just a little setup day here, not much going on. And then, yeah, we got testing tomorrow. But here's Benny J, just getting the communicado done.
Just getting ready, you know.
Just getting ready.
Just getting ready. We're not on the track till tomorrow, but you know what they say. Got to visualize.
That's exactly it.
Oh, turn it right up. That's why. 1, 2, 3.
Yep,
There you
got ya.
go.
Got ya. Yo, yo.
Cool. Just wasn't up.
Boys, what do you rate them?
We got an MX-5 now.
Yeah, the boys are just out here getting it, aren't you? What do you reckon, Sam? Yeah, sick. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. What have you done, Ben?
That was a lap and a half, man, in front of section. Big country note scraping on the wall. I felt it too. That was a perfect lap.
Yeah, I think this is great too. It's just your one.
You good now?
Just at the bottom.
No worries.
Fucking perfect. It's perfect, honestly.
Yeah, good.
What do you reckon, Tom?
More, please.
That was sick.
That was really good. That was really good fun, eh?
Bent my wing in on the wall.
I was just raising it out. Like,
Far out. 1x Toyota GT86 for sale. Eh?
Just sign in. I was going to get you one. He's just signing in now.
Fucking ridiculous.
Alright, there it was, my sort of angle from the LZ World Tour. What an unreal event. It was absolutely sick to have the Drift Games crew there just running a tight ship and just to be a part of it. To get to commentate and do the after battle reports and whatnot. It was sick. It's something I've always sort of wanted to be a part of, a tight ship, people that just get it and know what to do. So yeah, that was super cool. Obviously the driving was off the charts, and yeah, just to explain what I meant by weird vibes, it's, you know, these guys, their jobs are to create the content, obviously, and the content is just booming, baby. It is off the charts. So, you know, when we rocked up, there wasn't much mingling, you know. If it wasn't for sort of Mike and a few others, we would have just been talking amongst ourselves. We did have a chat to Grant Anderson. He hooked us up with the TPS, so legend, cool shit. And I'm sure the other guys are legends too. It's just, it's weird for me because these people are obviously not present in the moment. It's get the job done, move on to the next thing. And just as a society, I'm like, what are we doing here? But on the flip hand, these guys putting in this work has allowed the exhibition style of drift event to come through, which is something I've always believed in, and something I believe the angle should always have been. It should have never gone down this super pro competition route that, you know, your formula drifts and a heavily rule book obligated thing. I think it should be a bit more loose than that, and these guys, these YouTubers have allowed these events to come to full fruition. So yeah, just a bit of an awkward one, just a bit of a weird one, you know. It's not throwing shade on anyone or anything. It's just, yeah, how I felt. It was just a bit weird. And yeah, sign of the times. But hey, super cool event, like I said, and yeah, being a part of that team, it was just good to be a part of a tight ship. I was kind of hoping I'd get a few more behind the scenes commentating stuff for you, but again, I was in the moment, present, and just trying to do a good job, to be honest, which, yeah, I think I did all right. So yeah, ripper. On to the next stuff. Hopefully they come out again, and hopefully more stuff happens 2024.
Cause real bad boys move in silence.